Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp in two mobiles using same number. Go to your other mobile. In this mobile go to web.whatsapp.com. It won't load, so you have to go and enable the desktop mode. You can see your desktop site. If you enable this one, you will get this page, and then you have to go to WhatsApp. So here you can find three dots, click this one, go to WhatsApp web, and then you have to scan the QR code. Once you have scanned it, here you can see that it has loaded. So I have messaged myself, and you can see the message, it shows up in both the phones. So if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe.